France was the first European country to confirm a case of coronavirus in late January. Since then, the number of cases and fatalities has climbed quicker than many would have expected. The country's intensified its response to the virus. Measures introduced earlier, closing restaurants and cafes, have been deemed insufficient. Now, all movement restricted unless it's absolutely necessary. The president says the country is in a health war.
Et pour 15 jours au moins, nos déplacements.
For at least 15 days, our movements will be highly reduced. Gatherings and meeting family or friends will not be allowed anymore. This is about limiting as much as possible any contact outside of home. Across France, people will be able to go out only for essential activities.
Nous sommes en guerre.
We are at war, a health war. We are not fighting an army, nor another nation, but the enemy is here, invisible and making progress.
Thousands of police officers are being deployed to make sure people abide by the lockdown measures. France's borders will be closed. So too will the entire external European Union border. No travel into the EU from outside. European football officials from UEFA are meeting today. It's expected they'll agree to postpone this year's European Football Championships, due to be held across 12 countries. In Spain, an intense lockdown. Day one of a state of emergency. The military on the streets to fight the virus, telling people to go home. Spain's hospitals struggling to cope with a rise in cases. Germany's Chancellor Angela Merkel has added to her country's existing measures, banning religious services and telling people to cancel any travel plans, both within Germany and abroad.
Zweitens, für den Publikumsverkehr zu schließen.
We will close bars, clubs, discos, theatres, concert halls and museums. Fairs, exhibitions, cinemas, zoos, gambling venues and similar institutions will also be closed.
These extreme measures, highly restricting personal movement and shutting down businesses, could scarcely have been imagined just 7 weeks ago, when Europe had only a handful of confirmed cases. Now, with the infection spreading and fatalities rising, many are wondering what more can be done. Rich Preston, BBC News.